I'm Dr. Sunitha T, working as a consultant obstetrician and cosmetic gynecologist with 16 years of experience. I practice at Madilu Multi-Speciality Clinic, Vidyaranyapura, Elanka, which is located at North Bangalore. Hymen is a thin pinkish membrane which is covering the vaginal orifice. And the exact function of hymen is unknown. So mainly it prevents the ascending infections. And how the hymen is ruptured. Usually it is ruptured during the first intimacy or first sexual intercourse, and also strenuous by doing a strenuous activities such as bicycling, swimming, and also inserting tampons and menstrual cups. Some people are born without hymen. So how hymenoplasty is done? Hymenoplasty is nothing but rebuilding the hymen with hymenal remnants. It is quite a safe procedure with zero to few complications, and these few complications again can be minimized by getting it done under experts.